If you're seeing a GOAG login error, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help you get signed in again. This is a common issue, and in many cases, it comes down to a corrupted local cache, a time and date mismatch on your PC, or the problem being tied to the client instead of your actual account. So stay with me, and we'll test both sides step by step. Before we begin, make sure to hit like if this tutorial helps you, and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this one. It really helps support the channel, and it tells me to keep making these easy guides for you. First, we're going to clear out a second Galaxy folder that may be causing the login problem. On your keyboard, press Windows key and R again to open the run box. In the field, type %ProgramData on your Windows system, and then press Enter. This will open the ProgramData directory on your Windows system. Once you're inside, look for the gog.com folder. Open that folder, and inside it you may see a Galaxy folder. If you do, delete this second Galaxy folder as well. This folder can store leftover files that sometimes interfere with signing in, so removing it can help reset the client's local state. After that, close everything and relaunch the GOG Galaxy client. Try signing in fresh and see whether the login error is gone. In some cases, simply clearing that folder is enough to fix the issue immediately. If you still can't log in, the next thing we need to check is your computer's clock. Believe it or not, an incorrect system time can prevent secure sign-in from working properly. To fix that, right-click the time display in the bottom right corner of your taskbar, then select Adjust Date and Time. In the Date and Time settings, look for Set Time Automatically and turn it on. Then scroll down to the Synchronize Your Clock section and click Sync Now. This forces Windows to refresh the system time, which can resolve authentication and certificate errors that block the GOG login process. Once that's done, go back to the client and try signing in again. If the error is still happening, the next step is to separate the platform from the client so we can figure out where the problem really is. Open an Incognito browser window and go to the GOG official website. Try accessing your account there using the same login details. This is an important test because it helps us determine whether the issue is localized to the app installation or related to your account security credentials. If you can log in through the browser but not the client, the problem is likely with the app itself. If you can't log in anywhere, then the issue may be tied to the account or sign-in verification. If the browser login works, you may need to reinstall or repair the GOG Galaxy client later, but for now we've already ruled out one major cause. If the browser login does not work, make sure you check your credentials, any verification emails, and account security settings before trying again. So, to recap, we first removed the extra Galaxy folder from ProgramData, then we fixed the system clock by turning on automatic time and using Sync Now. And finally, we tested the account in an Incognito browser to separate the website login from the client issue. These steps solve a lot of GOG login errors without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you get back into your account, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another GOAG issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.